about to go down for breakfast, and then we have a shuttle that will go down to the beach across the street. My dress is from Oaken Fort, and same bag. We're at breakfast now, and this is our spread. Looks so good. Giving up mimosas, green juice, orange juice, and look at this fruit plate and pancakes. Look how crazy this is. This is so pretty. This is our beach club. So there's so much seats up here, and then there's also some up there with some pools, like tiny, like small pools. And then there's a bar. You could order food here. This beach club is so crazy. It looks so nice. It's kind of like secluded from like the rest of the beach, I guess. But we're in Playa del Fiends. They said that they said they used to see like dolphins here, so that's what it's named after. The mango mojito. How you like it?
Oh yeah.
Smells fast?
Oh
Our beach club. They have tuna poke nachos. And then what? Black guacamoles?
Yeah, I think it's a black guacamole.
And guacamole. This is good.
Oh yeah.
We got tacos. How was it? Good?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Look at our ice creams. You vibing?
Oh yeah.
We're heading to dinner now. Is this a seaweed chips? Catch of the day and jalapeno peppers.
In the sushi salad? That's interesting.
We got octopus and like miso, right? Yeah. And then this is tofu I don't know what kind, but
Teriyaki tofu.
oh, teriyaki tofu. Nice.
Thank you.
We're at breakfast now. This is our spread. We love like the fresh fruits. And today they have like tacos. These are mushrooms. I don't know why I mixed the sweet and savory, but I just wanted one plate. Looks so good. They gave us tahini for our fruits. Good morning. I'm wearing the same dress from Mango as a cover up today. We just had breakfast and now we're gonna go up to the rooftop pool. Gracias. They're eating tacos. Good? This is a fish taco. We got more tacos. Emil got 2 pastors and then 1 fish, and then I got 2 fish and 1 shrimp. It's so messy.
Yeah.
It's so good though. It's our last sunset here. It's our last dinner here. My dress is from Abercrombie. Emil's shirt, oh sorry. Emil's shirt is also from Abercrombie.
So the beef and lamb.
Oh yeah, beef and lamb. Well, I don't even know what I got. It's like mussels and rice.
I think so.
Yeah.
You got octopus again though.
Oh yeah, there's octopus and shrimp. And you got the beef tenderloin. Yeah. Good though.
I know.
I like the chorizo. So it's just chocolate ice cream?
I think so.
What is this?
Iffy ice cream. Pistachio ice cream.
Is it pistachio? Like pistachio. Oh yeah, there's like pistachios on top. We got baklava.
Massachusetts, we the jury find for the Commonwealth.
This is good.
What did we?
Just ordered room service, even though we already ate dinner. But these are like our light snacks. This is ceviche, hummus. I don't know what this is, but it looks like it's quinoa, and then some tomato tortilla soup. We're at breakfast now.
It's last breakfast.
Last breakfast. We always like getting the fruits, especially when there's papaya. It's so good. We're leaving now. Get the view one last time. It's so busy here. Good thing we came here like 3 hours early. And there's no like pre-check or anything. This is freaking huge.
How about this one? Oh, I thought. That's right. I'm playing Pokemon.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
We're like one of the first ones to board. His tail! Oh my gosh.